The last letter. At first light, I left the page upon the rocks, its edges breathing salt, its ink already trembling toward erasure. I dared not fold it. The sea is a sterner keeper than wax or lock, and I longed for judgment beyond my own trembling hand. Each word sank slower than my breath, each vowel bruised into foam, until even your name blurred into prayer. I waited as dawn bled through the mist. Foam unstitched the vow I could not voice, and pebbles buried its pulse deeper than ink. When the tide withdrew, the page was gone, but the silence it left struck louder than any horn. I felt you near, not in speech, not in sight, but in the wound absence opens, the place where words end and love survives unspoken.